Hey everyone, welcome back to our data structure tutorial series. In last video, we have discussed memory representation of array data structure. Today, we are diving something super practical, that is applications of array data structure. Array are one of the most basic and fundamental data structure in programming, and believe me, they show up everywhere. So let's break down where and why we use them. Here we will discuss top 5 real world applications of array data structures. Number 1, database management systems. Arrays are essential in databases. Whenever you run query and retrieve data, the databases system often store the result in arrays. This makes accessing and manipulating large dataset much faster. Number 2, image processing. Did you know that images are stored as a 2D arrays? Each pixel in an image is represented by a number or set of numbers like RGB values. Whether it is Photoshop or computer vision algorithms, arrays play a key role in processing images. 3. Data analytics. Arrays help power data analytics. When you work with large dataset like calculating average, sums or other statistical measures, arrays help to store and manage all data efficiently. In tools like Excel's behind the scene, arrays are working their magic. 4. Memory management. Operating system uses arrays for memory management. Arrays help allocate and deallocate memory blocks, making sure that processes can access the right memory at the right time. In a way, they help keep your system running smoothly. 5. Multidimensional arrays in scientific computing. In scientific computing, arrays extend beyond 2D. Multidimensional arrays are used for simulations, mathematical calculations, and modeling for complex data. They are widely used in fields like physics, biology, and engineering. That's it, guys. In next video, we will discuss array manipulation techniques. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit the subscription button and bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you in next video. Until then, happy coding.